Yeah, this game was kind of a ho-hum and then it got interesting late. It was 6-2 at one point. Panthers won 6-0. Did you see that? 4-1 Penguins, yeah, heating up. Playoff races on. Wow, we're back with one.
Suzuki in the corner. Puts it back up top to Mike Matheson. One time a save by Tompkins.
Oh, big save.
Matheson again. Kucherov strips in, little bang. Stamkos with the empty net.
Got it! That will do it!
Empty net goal from the captain, and that will
Steven Stamkos.
tonight in Montreal.
Matt Tompkins again has really saved the day here. He's been under siege. Montreal's gotten shots to the net. The Lightning have just been hanging on. A couple of key turnovers haven't helped them. But this time Kucherov does a terrific job checking. Gets it to Stammer. Stammer even falling down. Knows where the net is. Another point for Kucherov. Another goal for Stammer. Loses his footing there and still hits the empty net. And that's a sigh of relief based on the last 4 or 5 minutes at least. The Montreal Canadiens put pressure on with nothing to lose in this game.
They certainly did push back. They made it interesting. Got the crowd going here. The fans that remain for a potential rally. But the beat goes on for the Tampa Bay Lightning. What a roll they are on. Saved by Tompkins, but loose in front, pulled away. Half a minute to go.
34th.
Said it before, say it again. The Lightning playing their best hockey.
They sure are.
Possible time.
Panthers kind of slumping a little bit lately, but that's okay.
Glendening at center.
Lightning, man, they're clicking on all cylinders. They're a healthy, a well-oiled machine.
And the Lightning are going to sweep the regular season series against the Canadiens, taking all 4 games as we hit the horn. 7-4. Fist bumps over there on the Lightning bench. And how about Matt Tompkins?
Matt Tompkins, wow.
Both of them right here at the Bell Center. As he gets it done on the Lightning with another big win. Nikita Kucherov with another 3-point game. 2 goals for Steven Stamkos. What a night. What a 2 points in the bank. On behalf of my partner, Brian Engblom, and Gabby Shirley, this is Dave Branner saying thanks for watching. Lightning Live postgame is next.